Every year, it happens. The clock ticks, the list grows, and the pressure rises. Because somewhere out there, someone you love is waiting for the perfect Christmas present. But don't panic, you've made it to the right place. Whether you're shopping for the picky one, the sentimental one, or the person who already has everything, I've got an option that will save you time, stress, and maybe even your entire holiday sanity.
It's time! Yes, guys, the holiday season is finally here, and if you know me, you know I love the holidays. But with the season comes the thought, what am I going to get my special person for their gift? I want to get them something that they love and cherish, but also something that's not going to break the bank. And if that's your thought process today, I might have an answer for you. Today I'm unboxing this stunning organic shaped gemstone ring from MollyJewelryUS's Unik form series. It's thoughtful, customizable, and best of all, it's totally budget friendly, starting at just $200 to $300. This could be the most heartfelt and affordable Christmas surprise of the year. Trust me, guys, it's gorgeous, as you can see. So you might be wondering what makes this piece of jewelry so unforgettable. Well, since you asked, it's one of a kind. Oh, look at that gorgeous beauty. Every gemstone is completely one of a kind. The stone is naturally shaped, no cutting, no symmetrical forming. Artisans only polish the surface to celebrate the raw beauty that nature created. And here's the magic. No two stones are the same anywhere in the world. Like, look at this beauty. So gorgeous, and no one else has a cut identical to this. So the shape of each stone is totally unique, meaning the ring you receive is made only for you, and it's not just the design that's special, the gemstone itself is one of a kind. So gorgeous. If I got this as a promise ring, you can just bring the engagement ring immediately after, because this is beautiful. So you might be wondering, why should I go with this brand? Why should I go with MollyJewelryUS? Well, let me give you 3 big reasons. The quality is better than most online jewelry shops. Prices are surprisingly affordable, so there's no luxury markup, and they're trusted by tens of thousands of happy shoppers. They even offer customization like engraving initials, special dates, or a sweet Christmas note for your loved one. What's even better is the brand owns their own workshop with in-house artisans, so there's no middlemen, and that's what gets you luxury at an affordable price. With Christmas right around the corner, this is the perfect opportunity to give a gift that says you're truly unique to me. Just imagine her unwrapping this under the Christmas tree. Imagine that moment of surprise and joy. But this ring isn't just for the holidays. It's a daily reminder of your love and thoughtfulness. Its organic shape is a beautiful symbol of its individuality. It says you are one of a kind. And yes, it's totally wearable every single day. Let me show you. Christmas morning coffee, no problem. Back to work after the holidays, still perfect. Daily wear and washing, stays shiny and secure. It's both elegant and durable, designed for Christmas magic and every other day that follows that. Head over to MollyJewelryUS now and explore the Unik form collection. Use my exclusive discount code and click the link below to start your holiday gifting story. Don't wait, make this Christmas unforgettable. If you're looking for the perfect Christmas gift for your family, a close friend, your partner, or even a well-deserved treat to yourself, MollyJewelryUS is the way to go. You need to look no further. The answer is right here. Another reason why this ring is so unique is that you can actually engrave it. Yes, you can, because my ring is engraved. And I'm going to share a little story with you about what it says and what it means to me. It says I am, I can, I will, because I don't know about anybody else, but I doubt myself a lot, and I shortchange myself, or I don't give myself enough credit for what I can do. So I have to continuously remind myself that I am brave and like I can do hard things, and I will achieve the things I set out to achieve because I can do hard things and I am brave. So that's why I opted to get that engraved in the ring. And with it being worn daily, it's a daily reminder for me, because guys, affirmations are real, and this is the form that I put my affirmation in. And I'm someone that I can know something, but I need to continuously see it to be reminded of it. And this is my daily reminder that I shouldn't doubt myself, because every time I see that I am, I can, I will, I remember that I am brave, I can do hard things, and I will achieve the things that I set out to achieve in my life. So you can go ahead, if you know that the person you're gifting the ring needs a little bit of encouragement, or they need some daily affirmations, you can go ahead and pop that in there. Or if you just need some affirmations yourself, you can go ahead and do it for yourself, just like I did. So yeah, you guys can, there's so much sentiment to this piece. It makes it the perfect, well thought out gift. So I've told you how this ring can be incorporated into daily life and what it would mean to the person that you're giving it to, but let me show you how it looks with the fits. Let's throw some fits, honey.
Whether it's a cozy family gathering, this ring adds just the right amount of sparkle to their holiday vibe. Or a fancy Christmas party, it elevates your entire outfit without overpowering your style. And best of all, it transitions beautifully into the new year, from Christmas morning to January meetings.
I can name a million more reasons why this is the #1 gift to give this Christmas, but I'll just stop right here. So if you guys are interested in giving the gift of sentiment, of thought, this is the ring for you. Go ahead and click the link down in my description box down below and get to shopping. Also, Black Friday is coming up, so you guys can score some dollars off that gift. I don't know about Uno, but I love a good discount. When I'm making big purchases, give me a discount. So go ahead and use my discount code in the description box down below to purchase one of these rings for that special person or yourself, and give the gift of Unik this Christmas. That's the best way I can put it. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.